What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again for another video, and this is going to be a short one, so I'm going to just let the video kind of like play out in the background. But this is going to be episode 5 of my Uprofit 30k static drawdown series, challenge, journey, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I appreciate y'all as always, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. So basically, just like doing the same thing I usually do. Just marking up the Fibonacci, marking up the candle. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you haven't checked out the strategy video, you can go check that out. It's on my channel right now. Basically, I'm just marking like the Fibonacci point on the 930 candle. And yeah, so currently it is about like I want to say it's like 5 minutes left until this 930 candle print. And yeah, honestly, so far this journey has been like going really good. When I first started or first decided to take Uprofit, I already knew that I was going to take some time compared to my other challenges when it comes to taking this challenge, because the amount that I'm gaining is kind of like it's not a stagnant amount. Like, the amount differ. As you can see, I'm gonna actually put up like a like the data from September, actually, because the month of September actually closed from last week. So I'm gonna put that up on the screen somewhere so y'all can see it. Basically the month of September was like really good. I think it had 1 losing week and then 3 winning weeks. But yeah, you can see the data basically for like one contract or one mini contract of gold, or 1 or 10 micro contracts of gold. Basically that's going to be the same amount that you like see on the screen right now. So basically, let's say if I have a day where I gain 2.3 points, I'm gonna make $230. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so basically when you put it into that perspective and you see the different numbers and the fluctuations, the numbers are always different. So I don't know like the duration on me from like taking this challenge to passing it, or taking this challenge to failing it, right? Because we're dealing with static drawdown now, so the drawdown always stay the same. Nothing else is trailing with you. So like, I already told myself that there may be a possibility that this might be my first prop firm where I pay like another monthly fee. You know what I'm saying? Most of the every other challenge that I passed or failed or whatever case may be, I never like paid like more like with the second fee to keep the challenge like going. You know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying, I like to get over the challenge phase like quickly and all that stuff. So yeah, so that's going to be a little new, you know, just paying another monthly fee if I don't happen to pass it. Like I said, my balance currently is at around like 775. So basically yeah, it's like my profit target 2k. So there's still a good possibility that I can pass this within 30 days, but I am just like preparing myself to, you know, spend another what is it, $62 to like renew it and keep going. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. You know what I'm saying, that's gonna be a new experience for me too. And yeah, so currently right now I have both of my stuff set. I have the buy position tool. I'm a kind of yeah, y'all can't see the mouse anyway, but I have the buy position tool and I have the short position tool, right? So it's about like 2 more minutes into this candle break, or 1 minute and 30 seconds. So yeah, so currently I'm just waiting to see what side is it gonna break through. Yeah, that's pretty much all I really do, honestly, for the most part. Just kind of wait just to see what happens. And yeah, also like very like paying attention to if like the candle closes, right? Let's say it closes but it's like very near the wick or something. You could actually check out the last episode. That was the best example that I could probably present to y'all when it comes to like how to like manage your trades when like you may have a possible like fast entry compared to others. You know what I'm saying? This one took a while to kind of like get to the entry after it after it finished closing the candle. So it wasn't really like all that like much work that I had to do. I just like basically just set the orders and that was it. But if you go to the last episode, I had to kind of like manually put a sell stop because price was really close to closing with the bottom wick. You know what I'm saying? So if you go to the last video, y'all can see that too. Right now, as you can see on the screen, what I'm doing is I'm basically moving over my my order little like ticket bracket thing. The I forgot what it was called, but hovering that over to the side while looking at the candle. This is the order confirmation. I just have it set up like on Uprofit because just to make sure that I'm getting in the right type of order. You know what I'm saying? There has been a time where I think one time I had messed it up where I accidentally got in like a sell stop instead of a sell I'm sorry, I got into a sell limit instead of a sell stop. So when it tapped into my sell, it went up. You know what I'm saying? So just making sure that I have the right confirmation with everything. So as you can see on the screen right now, I set my sell stop. So now I'm gonna be, oh yeah, so and another thing too, the candle has finally got done closing. So I set the sell stop first because it was closer to the sell than the buy, right? I set a buy stop as well too, obviously, but I think, or did I set the buy stop first? I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even paying attention. My fault. I'm trying to get my words right with everything. But usually I'll set like the order first, or whichever one is closest to. So if I'm not mistaken, I think I might have set the buy stop first. I don't know. I think it was like up. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. I'll say something on the screen. But basically I like to set the order wherever it's closest to. So if price happens to give me that volatility, then I won't have to like miss out on any type of like trade, you know what I'm saying? So as you see right there, we got tapped into a sell order, and this trade happened really fast. Like, look at the time on the bottom right, bro. Look at the time on the bottom right. Like, even with me trying to, like, you know, it hit my green line. That's my halfway mark, like the 0.25 mark, to where I moved my stop loss down. I didn't even get a chance to actually move my stop loss, bro. Like right here, yeah, right there, TP has gotten hit, bro. Like it was super fast, bro. It was like 30 seconds. Like the whole like analysis part of the actual trade, like from 9:30 closing, the whole thing took like a minute and 30 seconds, bro. Like basically a minute, you know what I'm saying? So this trade was really fast, and like that was really it, bro. Like that was really just my day, bro, you know what I'm saying? So currently my balance is around like 900, so that's good. I wish I didn't miss that one day that I overslept, because my balance would have been at like 12k right now. Actually, I'm sorry, 1,200. So I would have only needed like 800 more to pass the challenge, but it's all good. All that stuff is in the past, because there's definitely been times where I overslept and I missed out on losing trades. So it goes both ways, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and yeah, that was pretty much it, bro. I think gold had came to like this point, like the point that y'all see on the screen. That's like, I guess, like the most like that it went down, but then after that it just shot back up, and you know what I'm saying, that was that. So yeah, that's really all I got. If you want to update on fast track trading, I also took a trade. So I have two different, remember I said I had two different variations for my NASDAQ strategy. So the second variation, right, mind you, I trade them both. I'm gonna explain it more like when I like actually like present this strategy and stuff like that. But the second variation didn't give me a setup, but the first variation that I had did. So basically I took a profit, I think it was like 125, if I'm not mistaken, 135. So my balance on that is actually 702. So it's very close to getting a payout. I don't qualify for the 5-day payouts anymore, because today I didn't reach my goal of 250. I needed to reach an average of 250 like consecutively, like 250 5 days in a row in order to reach a payout. But like I said, one of my variants of the strategy didn't give me a setup. So I aim for my target, I should say, like my my total gain for today was under 250. So I don't qualify for the 5-day payouts, but that's okay, because I was aiming for the 10-day payouts either way. The 5-day payouts is kind of like a little like bonus, you know what I'm saying, just for, you know, first time users and all that stuff too. So I'm not really like tripping about that. I'm still focusing on getting to the 10 days, so I'll be able to take a payout. And yeah, so the first variation is the one that I back tested from 2021 and up until now. So I have like 3 years of data worth of that. So I think I'm gonna just stick with that and like continue with that throughout the whole the whole like FTT session, the whole time that I have FTT. And the second variation, I'll just like do more like where I'm gonna probably do it on another account with FTT just to see like how that goes and all that stuff. But the first variation is the one that I'm really like locking in with, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's a little update on FTT. And that's pretty much all. Like, this video was super short, that's what I'm saying. That's why I just let everything just run in the background, honestly. Like, it wasn't really no point of like stopping and pausing and fast forwarding and stuff, because as you saw, this trade literally happened in like a minute, bro. So yeah, but if you like this video, I appreciate you for always watching the video, you know what I'm saying, always supporting me, my channel. Thank y'all for the people who've been in my DMs, like on Instagram, leaving comments on my YouTube. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, you know what I'm saying. Like, y'all definitely like a big part of my journey as well too. And yeah, just listening to y'all's journey too, listening to how y'all trading, how y'all funded accounts is going, how y'all challenges is going, how's your personal accounts going. Like, listening to that really is motivational for me too. You know what I'm saying? So, because we all been in the same spot. You know what I'm saying? So it's really nice to have like-minded people around. So yeah, bro. So I appreciate y'all for always tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, do whatever you got to do. You're all good with me. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna see if we could continue this momentum in both accounts, the Uprofit account and the FTT account. Hope y'all trading day is going good so far. Hope y'all trading year is good so far as well. Q4 I think started like yesterday, I think. So hey, let's finish this out strong, honestly. So that's all I really gotta say. Just lock in and just keep doing what you're doing. So yeah, and yeah, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.